In this tutorial, we are going to learn how separate data can be combined into one table. Please use the file cam-rdbm. RDBM stands for Relational Database Management. Now, once this file is open, review that there are 4 worksheets: student performance, quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3. In the student performance, there are total 65 records. In quiz 1, only those students' marks are appearing who have scored more than 0. So the students who are absent or who got marks equal to 0, their names will not be appearing in this worksheet. Similar is the case with quiz 2 and quiz 3. Also, the student's name appearing in the descending order of the marks in all the 3 quizzes. The task is we want to get the quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3 marks from 3 worksheet into the student performance worksheet. For example, the quiz 1 marks of Akansha Kumari should come in the cell number F2. Similarly, quiz 2 marks of Akansha Kumari should come in cell number G2. Similarly, quiz 3 marks of Akansha Kumari should come in the cell number H2. If the Akansha Kumari has not given any of these 3 quiz, then correspondingly in that column there should be a blank. Then the total of these 3 quiz marks should be available in the column I. To accomplish this task, we are going to use one of the most powerful formula or feature of Excel called VLOOKUP. I will first type the formula and then I will explain the structure of the formula. Let me just make it slightly bigger so that the formula text is available to read properly. Also, I am just adjusting the column width. Okay. Now, position the cursor in the cell number F2. Type the formula equal to V look up bracket open. It asks you lookup value. So we want to look up the value from cell number C2. Type comma. Now go to worksheet quiz 01 because we are trying to fetch the quiz 01 marks here. So go to the worksheet quiz 01. In that worksheet, select the column B and C. Notice that in your formula now here quiz -01 BC has appeared. Type comma, type 2 comma 0 bracket closes, enter. You will see that 8 marks are appearing. Let's review the formula here. The formula reads we look up C2, that means the content of this cell, into the columns B and C and accordingly fetch the marks of Akansha Kumari into the cell number F2. What this formula does, let's review once again. This formula in the cell number F2 is reading the content of the cell number C2, that is this one. Then it is going into the quiz 01 worksheet and referring the column B of that worksheet. So let's go to quiz number 01 worksheet. Now in this worksheet, column B contains the enrollment ID. So from here, wherever it finds this content, that is 19531,001, let's check, it is available here. It's available here. So whichever row the formula finds same content, it will stop there. Then it will go to the second column in the table. So we have selected two columns, B and C. The B is our first column, the C is our second column. So it will go to the second column, it will read the number from there and it will paste the number here. That's what this in the third arguments of the formula takes action. Now the last argument in the formula is 0, which says that while searching a content from the cell number C2, you try to find exact match. If you do not get exact match, declare the record not available. Now let's drag, that means copy this formula in all the cells of this column. And you will find that most of the places the formula has fetched the marks from quiz number 01. However, in few of the cells it is showing #NA. What the meaning of this error message is that this particular enrollment ID was not available in quiz 01. Now instead of #NA, we want this cell to be a blank cell, and for that we may have to change a formula little bit. So go back to the cell number F2, press F2, that means we are going to edit the formula. Now we are going to modify the formula by putting one more condition here, saying if error, then bracket open. So what we are saying, if this formula, VLOOKUP formula gives error, you put blank cell, that means double quotation mark 2 times and bracket closes. So what this formula will do, it will first check VLOOKUP C2 quiz 01 B colon C 20. If this formula gives you a number, retain the number. But if this part of the formula gives you error, that is #N/A, then just keep a blank. Let's again copy this formula in all the rows of this column and review that wherever it doesn't find a match, it is keeping blank. Similarly, we can build a formula for quiz 2 and quiz 3. Note that to build a formula for quiz 2 and quiz 3, you have to use the worksheet quiz 02 and quiz 03. Rest of the formula part remains same. Once the quiz 01, quiz 02 and quiz 03 marks are available, let me show you that here. So I am just going to do it in a shortcut way. I will copy the text of the formula in for quiz 02 and just modify this quiz 01 to quiz 02. So review it that now here it's quiz 02. Similarly, I will go here, copy the text and change this quiz 01 to quiz 03 in the formula, and it will work. Now drag both of this formula for all the rows in the column G and H respectively. And you will see that the marks have been fetched into the student performance worksheet. Now to make a total, just put a formula equal to sum, bracket open, select the cells F2 to H2 and bracket close. Let's review the formula here. It's equal to sum, bracket open, F2 colon H2. Now drag this formula in all the rows of the column I, and you will see that the total marks is now available. I hope you could able to manage the formulas in your worksheet for quiz 01, quiz 02, quiz 03 and for the column total. Thank you very much.